Hi, I'm going to show you how I managed to fix custom shortcuts not working on Kubuntu operating system. This fix might be useful for other Unix-based or even Windows operating system because this fix came to my mind from time when I was using Windows. For me, this problem arose when I upgraded operating system, and I tried to fix it by suggestions from forums like Ask Ubuntu, and here you can see there are many threads about this, and I read really a lot and I couldn't find a way how to make those bloody custom shortcuts to work. I hope that updates will fix it, and I waited for quite a long time. I waited up till now when Kubuntu 20.04 is available. But it fixed it not. No. So, yeah. So how did I fix it? Very simply. I went to System Settings, Account Details, User Manager, and here you can see Accounts. So what I did, I copied all the documents, files that I had in my old account, created a new account with administrative privileges. It's very important when you're creating an account to tick this box, enable administrator privileges for this user. And I simply deleted the old account. Here you can see I have a guest account. You can delete it straight away, but administrative account you can delete. There has to be one account. You can delete one out of two or out of more accounts, but there has to be at least one. And now it's working. I can show you my shortcuts are here, custom shortcuts. I have two shortcuts, Dolphin, and it is triggered by Meta E. It's the same shortcut like for Windows to call a Windows Explorer. Meta E. Here is my Dolphin. Yay! It works. And I have KC's guard, Control Shift Escape. Here, it's working. And also Alt Tab. It's not a custom shortcut by default, but previously it wasn't working and now it works. Oh my gosh, it's such a useful shortcut. Yeah. So this is it. I hope it'll fix your problem if you have the same problem like I did. And bye bye.